Hi friends, welcome to Fun English. It's fun to learn English. This is a chair. C H A I R Chair. This is a chair. This is a table. T A B L E Table. This is a table. This is a bed. B E D Bed. This is a bed. This is an umbrella. U M B R E L E Umbrella. This is an umbrella. This is a folding fan. This is a folding fan. This is a scissor. This is a scissor. This is a t-shirt. This is a t-shirt. These are books. B O K S. These are books. This is a backpack. B A C K P A C K Backpack. This is a backpack. This is a pen. P E N Pen. This is a pen. This is an eraser. E R A S E R
eraser. This is an eraser. This is a sock. S-O-C-K. This is a sock. These are shoes. These are shoes.
Thank you for learning English with me. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Bye.